Let's see. All right, are we live? Awesome. And welcome back once again. My name is James Henderson, coming to you live from where else? The place where it all got started, in this small office space. And of course, when I start recording, Guinness starts barking. I love him to death, but sometimes he's got the wrong cues. But anyways, what's going on with today's market? Today is 16th October 2017. What's the market update doing with the Bitcoin world? A lot of things. We've got a pack-filled couple minutes to get you updated on what's going on with the market, and then we'll leave it alone because we still have version 2 that we got to write here at malairtebitcoin.com. So right now, at the present time, Bitcoin and Ethereum have fully recovered from the exit of China cryptocurrency market. So the Bitcoin price is at 5,800, and the price of Ether surged up to $340. That's really good. So that means one of two things: people have stopped creating ICOs and are dumping them, or they're just holding them until the price gets higher, and then you're going to see a massive drop again. So if you think you've missed the mark on buying Ether and you want to hold off on it, it's a ting for ting type of item. What's my opinion on that? You know what, guys? I'd buy it now, sell it. When it goes up, another $100. Wait until a lot of the ICOs start dumping their Ether, bring the stock back down, and buy it again. If you want to do that. But what's going on with the Bitcoin? Well, now we should see Bitcoin at 6,000 here soon. However, though, people are taking the profit off the top. That was a given. Like I told all my clients here at malairtebitcoin.com, they should see a little drop in the levels of Bitcoin, because people are, they just made $1,000 in the last couple weeks. So I'm really not surprised that Bitcoin's stabilizing. So, and dropping a little bit lower. So that's my opinion. Y'all take it for what it is. What's cool is Japan has rose over 62% ever since China has left the Bitcoin market. So no worries there. The market's still going strong. We figured all the communist countries were about to drop out because people are getting too much freedom, and just like a lot of my friends have told me who used to live in these communist countries, is they control the people by the price of their currency. So it's nowhere near compared to what America's doing, but it's a little bit more discretional of what you can buy and what you cannot buy with their own currency. It's funny, a friend of mine was telling me that when Russia was under communist rules, if you had the Russian rubles, you couldn't buy a certain device. It was in the oil industry. But if you had US dollars, they had no problem selling it to you. What does that mean? That means, I don't know what that means, truthfully, but you understand the picture, though. What else is going on? Oh. So, Ethereum's currently sitting around $338. Will it be going up? I say we're shooting up for 500, and then people are going to start dumping it. So that's my outtake on it. Also, Ethereum executes blockchain hard fork to Byzantium. See, we we knew this was coming, and so we'll see what happens. So Byzantium just released a hard fork. Everything went off, flawlessly. And the neat thing about this whole thing is there wasn't that much. There was very little disagreement in the market. So that's cool about that. Also, South Korea prepares to tax Bitcoin use and other countries to follow. Come on, South Korea, fight it off, man. This is for the people of the world. Don't let your Bitcoins get taxed by your government. That's not a cool thing. Because then they start centralizing the whole currency, and once again, the country's natural tax service in South Korea is really heavy on trying to bring in more income. So we'll see where that goes. Pirates Bay, if you like stealing programs and using this social network of taking other people's programs off their computer, they're thinking about replacing the ads and allowing Pirate Bay users just to relinquish some of their CPU power to mine Monero. That might be a new thing. So instead of me showing ads off of my websites that I program with, I'm just going to require that they allow me to use their CPU power. What do you think about that? Hey, I definitely want to know what your opinion is on that. Would you rather see ads, or would you rather programs use your CPU power to mine the CPU that you're currently not using, or the power that you're not using? I digress. I don't know. So what is the state of crypto right now? So Bitcoin, once again, is down 2.67%. The reason why is because people are taking their profits. Litecoin is down 8.66 against the dollar. I have absolutely no idea reason why Litecoin's down. Once again, I just think it's people day trading. Ether is up 1.97%, and of course Dash is up 1.84%. Ripple's up 11.13%. So Ripple's got something going, but like Ripple, Zcash will follow, because those two are slightly. They're a lot different, but as far as trading goes, not many people know about them, and so therefore they're just going to trade on techs. Monero is down 4.44%. If Monero ever goes with the ASIC miner, it would skyrocket. But it's not going to happen. Ether Classic is down. So if Ethereum goes past 3%, Ether Classic will follow. But right now, since it's got such low margins, Ether Classics will stay down, and Waves is down, and Stratus is up 4.1%, and that's dealing with a lot of day trading. That's my opinion. That's my take on it. So until next time, folks, when we know that what happens, will Bitcoin see 6,000 by the end of this year? Who knows? Hey, I enjoy this thing. I like the trading. So, in fact, I haven't done half bad today. So I'm making less trades, but I've also increased my trades to 6 pennies, and I've been gaining. So every trade that I get, so these are my Ether sells, and of course, I scroll down here. Yeah, sold it. So instead of me getting 0.00004 pennies, I'm actually getting 0.001 per every trade. So that's not bad. Let's see. Let's give you more of a viewpoint. So let me show you when I've traded these. So all throughout the night and into the daytime. So since I've increased my coin, basically since I increased it over the time, or the amount that I'm trading, my trading slowed down because I'm trading less altcoins, but I'm receiving more of a profit. So, see what happens. So I'm doing all this because I can, and I want to know if my value will increase by me increasing my position in each currency by making less trades. What do you think? Oh well, I digress. Hey, my name is James Henderson, coming to you live from where else? Walletofbitcoin.com. Some days you just have those days where it's hard to talk. You know what? I'm probably going to re-record this. So, all right. And anyways.